Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Niradi, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekewa College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nasik. Course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see experiment number 12 and 13, title Quantitative Makeup of Water and Fat Soluble Vitamins by using HPLC. That is nothing but high pressure or performance liquid chromatography. Coming to introduction of HPLC, it is a physical separation technique in which a sample dissolved in a liquid is injected into a column packed with small particles and it is separated into its constituent components with the purpose of identifying, quantifying and purifying the individual components of the mixture. HPLC is distinguished from ordinary liquid chromatography because the pressure of HPLC is relatively high, that is 150 bar to 2000 psi, while ordinary liquid chromatography typically relies on the force of gravity to provide pressure. Due to the higher pressure separation conditions of HPLC columns have relatively small internal diameter, for example 4.6 mm, short, example 200 mm, and packed more densely with smaller particles, which helps achieve finer separation of a sample mixture and gives HPLC superior resolving power when separating mixtures. HPLC is used in quantitative determination of vitamin A, retinol, vitamin E, tocopherol, and beta carotene in variety of foods, for example, milk, dried milk products, fruits and vegetables, potatoes, meat, fish, beverages, butter, margarine, and oil, fat products. Vitamin A content in this method refers to all trans-retinol, vitamin A alcohol, as determined by the method described, expressed as micrograms per 100 grams of sample. 1 microgram of all trans-retinol corresponds to 3.33 international units. The content of vitamin E is referred to a tocopherol content determined by the method described below. It is given in milligrams of a tocopherol per 100 grams of sample. 1 milligram of D-alpha tocopherol is equal to 1.49 international units. Beta carotene is expressed as micrograms per 100 grams of sample. Coming to principle, the injection of a small volume of liquid sample into a tube packed with tiny particles 3 to 5 micrometers in diameter called the stationary phase. A liquid mobile phase forced through the column by higher pressure delivered by a pump. Components are separated from one another by the column packing that involves various chemical and or physical interactions between their molecules and the packing particles. After homogenization and saponification of the material under investigation in a solution of ethanoic potassium hydroxide, the retinol, vitamin A alcohol, tocopherol, vitamin E, and beta carotene released is totally extracted with organic solvent separation of retinol, tocopherol, and beta carotene content is done with part of extract by reversed phase HPLC. Quantification is carried out against an external vitamin A, E, and beta carotene standard that has undergone the sample procedure of the sample. High performance liquid chromatography instrument will be looking like this. It will be having solvent manager, sample manager, chromatogram, column chamber, fluorescence detector. Likewise, that is the most sophisticated instrument which requires ACE to maintain it because the estimation room should be dust free. Coming to schematic diagram of HPLC, here solvent mobile phase reservoir will be there. Next pump, solvent manager, solvent delivery system. Next sample, which injector auto sampler, sample manager, HPLC column, packing material, Next detector. Next waste will be taken out and computer data section where chromatogram peaks will be obtained in the chromatogram. Requirements. Reagents required: ethanol 99.89% volume by volume analytical grade, KOH 100% weight by volume, dissolved 70 grams of KOH pellets in 70 ml of water and dilute to 50 ml with 95% ethanol freshly prepared, potassium hydroxide 5% weight by volume 5 grams KOH in 100 ml water, antioxidant Pyragalol or hydroquinone or BHT or sodium ascorbate and vitamin C, 10 grams in 100 ml deionized water, extraction solvent, hexose or petroleum ether, petroleum benzene and hexane mixture 2:1, petroleum ether hexane, phenolphthalein indicator 1% in alcohol, sodium sulfate anhydrous A:G, HPLC mobile phase, methanol 90 to 100% in water or acetonitrile, methanol ethyl acetate 88:10:2, nitrogen gas, oxygen free nitrogen, standard solution, all trans retino or retinyl acetate, DL alpha tocopherol, alternative trans beta carotene. Coming to apparatus, UV visible spectrophotometer, HPLC, columns, membrane filters, digestion apparatus, rod bottom flask, 100 and 250 ml heating mantle condenser, vacuum rotary evaporator, solvent filtration apparatus, syringe 10 ml of sample filtration, analytical balance, round bottom flask 250 ml, volumetric flask 10, 25, 50, 100 ml, separating funnel 250 ml, beaker 5.25 ml, volumetric pipette 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 ml, spatula, funnel, cylinder, stirring rod, washing bottle, glass bead, filter paper, Wattman number 1. Procedure. Standard vitamin A, weigh 1 milligrams of retinol into 100 ml volumetric flask, dissolve with a small amount of chloroform until all retinol is dissolved, then dilute to mark with ethanol and mix. Dilute this solution 10 times in another flask. Read absorbance of final solution with a UV spectrophotometer at 325 nanometers and calculate a concentration of retinol by extinction coefficient. Dilute this final solution further to concentration of about 0.2 micrograms per ml. Standard tocopherol, weigh 25 milligrams of alpha tocopherol into a 25 ml of volumetric flask. Dissolve with a small amount of CHCl until all crystals are dissolved. Then dilute up to mark with ethanol and mix. Dilute this solution 10 times in another flask. Read the absorbance at 292 nanometers and calculate concentration of tocopherol by coefficient, extinction coefficient E. Dilute this solution further to concentration of about 2 to 50 micrograms per ml. Standard beta carotene, weigh 1 milligram of beta carotene into 25 ml flask. Dissolve with a hexane until all beta carotene is dissolved and then dilute to mark with a hexane. Read absorbance at 450 nanometers and calculate concentration of beta carotene by extinction coefficient E. Dilute this solution further to 1 to 50 micrograms per ml. Preparation of standard calibration curve. Different concentrations of vitamins are injected into HPLC and a curve is plotted having amount of vitamin versus peak area or peak height. Preparation of sample. The sample must be communicated as finely as possible and homogenized. It must be analyzed immediately. If this cannot be done, then place homogenized sample in a brown bottle, flush with nitrogen, seal and store in freezer until used for analysis. Preparation of test portion. Weigh accurately in a duplicate 0.5 to 1 gram sample for powder and 5 to 10 grams for liquid sample in a brown 250 ml RBF. Saponification. Add 1 gram of sodium ascorbate or 10 ml of ascorbic acid solution or 0.1 gram pyrogalol or 100 mg hydroquinone and a volume of 95% ethanol equal to 4 times and weight of sample and a volume of 100 kVh equal to weight of the sample. Mix well after adding each reagent and add glass beads. Reflux on boiling water bath 80 degrees Celsius or digestion apparatus for 30 minutes. Stir continuously. Extraction: cool the flask rapidly to room temperature. Add 70 ml petroleum ether or 100 ml hexane per acetone 60 per 40 and shake vigorously. After separation of two layers, transfer the upper layer to a brown 250 ml separating funnel. For high fat sample, place 50 ml 5% KOH solution into separating funnel. Re-extract the sample in saponification flask 2 times with 40 ml each of extraction solvent and combine the upper layer into the separating funnel. Shake the separating funnel and let the layer separate and discard lower layer. Wash the extract with sodium sulfate or strips of filter paper. Transfer all extract into 250 ml brown RBF. Evaporation: dry extraction solvent by means of rotary vacuum evaporator and flush with nitrogen gas. Dissolve and residue immediately with a mobile phase and dilute to known volume. Filter with a 0.45 micrometers membrane using solvent filtration apparatus. Coming to protocol, prepare your buffer or solvents and filter it before use. Turn on instruments in this order: computer, pump, degasser and detector. Log into Millennium software. Check your solvent level for NTP purification. Install column. Right click run. Select A as a UV pump. Put solvent lubing in DD water bottle. Select method: set NTP separation 50 minutes. Select instrument method for NTP separation. Make sure injection volume 200 microliters. Click setup below instrument method. When says idle, set the pressure and light wavelength. Check solvent level. Click faucet on icon. Edit to run 50% buffer. Flush lines with 50% buffer A, 50% buffer B for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, click faucet on. Flush lines with 100% for 2 minutes. Stop flow by clicking faucet off. Now put solvent tube A in buffer A and the tube B in buffer B. Start flow by clicking faucet on after 15 minutes. Prepare for injection. Click red icon at the top left of screen. Exception run for 50 minutes. Experiment should run for 50 minutes. After experiment begin, next injection check your solvent levels at the start of every run. At the end of all runs, flush lines with add HO. Click faucet on. Edit to run 100% A. Click faucet off. Put both the solvent tubes into 50% NaOH. Click faucet off and put UV detector pump. Close reference valve. Stop pump. Close reference valve connected column. Flush lines at lower rate 1 to 3.5 milliliter per minute for 10 minutes. So finally you will be getting the result. So this is the procedure used and the apparatus used for measurement of HPLC, measurement of both WSV, that is water soluble vitamins, as well as FSV, fat soluble vitamins, by using the most sophisticated method, HPLC, high pressure or high performance liquid chromatography. So this is the most advanced chromatography technique used for estimation of both FSV as well as WSV. Thank you for your patience listening.